dark pink polos, I hurt the rock before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. Today's video is sponsored by westkisshair. They sent me a 28-inch 13x6 body wave wig, and it's 250% density. So let's go ahead and get into the package. This is the bag that the hair came in. It says Westkiss. And Westkisshair gave us a lot of gifts. A lot of gifts. So first, I have I don't know if this is an edge scarf or, oh, this is an edge scarf. I like this. It's like, I like the material. And it has a crown. Oh, I have it upside down. Yeah, it has a crown. This is cute. I like this. We have a scarf. This is a silk scarf. Oh, a Westkiss bonnet. That's nice. Look how big that bonnet is. And the color is so vibrant. I like that. What else do we have here? Hold on. I wasn't expecting all this. Oh my gosh, what is this? Another bonnet? Oh, I love these types of bonnets. Oh my gosh. Okay, so do y'all see the elastic right here? I prefer this type of bonnet with the scrunching, with the scrunches on the end, because it doesn't tug on my edges. And yeah, I like this one better. My daughter loved this, so I'm gonna let her wear this. This is so cute. It has like that Versace theme on it. I like that. I'm gonna wear this tonight. All right, so this is the box. It says Westkiss. We have some 3D eyelashes. Those are very pretty. A wig cap and adjustable straps. And this is the beautiful unit. It's HD lace. Undetectable HD lace, okay? 250% density, 28 inches long. Okay. Y'all see that pattern? Do y'all see that wave pattern? Do y'all see that? Look at that wave pattern. All the way down to the tip. Oh my God. Westkiss, thank you. No, I did not pluck this hair. I didn't bleach it. I didn't touch this hair. I took it out to look at it and that's it. So yeah, it has two combs on the side. It has a comb on the bottom. I love this. I'm just so scared to touch it. Like, you ever seen some good hair, like really good hair, you're like scared to just, you know, style it. Like you'll be like you'll mess the curls up or something. That's how I feel. It's very pretty. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace so it can go ahead and so it can blend with my skin. Just gonna use some Bobbi Brown foundation, and this is in the color Warm Almond with my makeup brush. And all I do is go in and put the foundation on the lace. Ooh, I thought the foundation dripped on my dress. Okay. That's how it looks now. You see it blends into my skin. You can't even tell where the lace at. Oh my God, this is some really good lace. Okay, so let's get straight into this hair review. This is cute. I'm just gonna clip the hair back because I don't want to mess them waves up right now. I don't want to. Just clip it back right now. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. It has some baby hairs right here. I'm trying to see if there's any more. Yeah, it just have this right here. That's okay, I can work with it. That's all I need anyway. So Go ahead and cut this lace off.
Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. Oh, I'm so into Don't you worry, I'm gonna make you crazy. I'll give you the time of your life. I'm gonna take you places you've never been before, and you'll be so happy that you came. I'm gonna take you there. Things that you say, oh, I'm not too sure what it is, boy, but no, I'm feeling this way. Hey, truly something special. My dreams are made up. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby, I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me.